Hello, my name is Rizky Dwi Ardika from Department of Mechanical Engineering 11 Maret University Surakarta. I will discuss the article entitled A Review Porosity in Aluminum Welding. Content. Number 1. Introduction. Number 2. Aluminum welding. Number 3. Porosity defect form. Number 4. Porosity formation mechanism. Number 5. Environmental influence on porosity. Number 6. Cause of the formation of porosity. Number 7. Impact of porosity on mechanical properties of weld joints. Number 8. Reduce porosity defects. Number 9. Conclusion. Introduction. In modern times, aluminum is widely used in the automotive, railroad, and marine industries. Aluminum is widely used because it has the advantage of low density, heat strength, and corrosion resistance. Manufacture of marine vessel using a lot of aluminum. One of the shipbuilding process is to use welding techniques because it has high strength, relatively fast processing, and low cost. Welding process that are often used are gas metal arc welding and gas tungsten arc welding. However, aluminum also has this disadvantage, namely the emergence of porosity in the area of the weld joint. Porosity is caused by the presence of hydrogen. Aluminum welding. Aluminum welding process usually uses GMAW, gas metal arc welding, GTAW, gas tungsten arc welding, and CMT, cold metal transfer. GMAW process. GMAW is a welding process that produces metal fusion based on metal fusion at high temperature by forming a welding arc between the file wear and the workpiece. The GMAW welding process occurs when the welding wear is direct to the workpiece. The welding arc will generate heat and melt the welding wear with the workpiece metal to melt together and forms a permanent joint. GTAW, gas tungsten arc welding. GTAW is a type of welding that is often used in ship construction welding. GTAW is the most suitable welding technique for joining AA50I3 aluminum alloys compared to the GMAW process. GTAW welding has many advantages, including high welding time, reduced use of filler cable, relatively low cost, and low distortion. CMT, cold metal transfer. CMT is modification of the MIG welding process, has a low heat input process, and use the mechanical droplet cut methods. CMT welding works by joining material with a high deposition drop transfer method and low heat input, resulting in a very low spark. CMT welding advantage is that it can increase welding efficiency, flexibility, welding speed, and tensile strength. Porosity defect form. Number 1. Microporosity. Microporosity is formed due to two mechanisms: shrinkage porosity caused by the shrinkage during the metal solidification process and gas porosity caused by air trapping and undissolved hydrogen. Microporosities are generally below 5 millimeters. Microporosity can cause reduced tensile strength and fatigue. Number 2, macroporosity. Macroporosity has a largest above 5 millimeter. Macroporosity from the insufficient fit of molten metal that compensate for the volumetric shrinkage associated with solid to liquid transformation. The cause of macroporosity is the high solubility of hydrogen. The form of porosity can be shown in the image below. Macroporosity can be minimized if the hydrogen content, airflow velocity, and room temperature are controlled. Porosity formation mechanism in welding. Porosity can occur in the MIG hybrid laser welding process. During the MIG hybrid laser welding process, H2O reacts with the molten metal to produce hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom are easily dissolved in the molten pool at high temperature. During the welding process, the hydrogen atom can decrease as the temperature decreases. The solubility of hydrogen atom in the molten pool can affect porosity formation. The porosity formation mechanism during MIG hybrid laser welding can be seen in the figure below. During the heating process in MIG hybrid laser welding, the molten pool area contains a solution of hydrogen atom. The dissolved hydrogen atom form bubble. The movement of hydrogen atom is influenced by the flow behavior of the liquid metal. The cooling process causes the solubility of hydrogen to be reduced, and the hydrogen bubble cannot escape from the molten pool of melt, causing porosity. The shape of the porosity is irregular and has a largest. Environmental influence on porosity. Number 1, air temperature. Air temperature is one of the environmental parameters that affect the occurrence of porosity in a weld joint. During the welding process, porosity usually appears in the weld metal area due to the high solubility of hydrogen in aluminum at the aluminum melting temperature. The increase in air temperature causes the solubility of hydrogen when the aluminum is melted. In welding, melting occurs, which causes hydrogen gas to be trapped on the weld metal and result in porosity. Number 2, humidity. Porosity causes a reduction in strength in the weld joint. The content of diffused air ions increase with increasing water vapor pressure in the air. Therefore, increased humidity affects the formation of weak porosity. When humidity is higher, the weld microstructure grain becomes coarser, and the size of the porosity increase in the fusion zone and the heat affected zone. Cause formation of porosity. Difference influence the formation of porosity in the welding process in the solubility of hydrogen between molten aluminum alloys and solid aluminum alloys. In the welding process, porosity defect can occur and cause stress concentration. The porosity that often occurs in laser welding is metallurgical porosity caused by hydrogen in the molten pool. Apart from hydrogen, what can cause porosity? Environmental factors also influence porosity. The environments that affect porosity are air temperature, air humidity, and dissolved oxygen. Impact of porosity on mechanical properties of weld joint. Porosity has an impact on decreasing mechanical properties which causes a decrease in the ductility of the weld joint, thus affecting the fracture mode when fatigue failure occurs, in addition to reducing the mechanical properties of weld joint. Porosity can reduce fatigue stress and significantly reduce the weld joint strength. Porosity can reduce the weld joint effectiveness and reduce the tensile strength in the fusion region. The table below summarizes several research articles on porosity that focus on the effect of porosity on weld joint. Number 1. Scularco et al. Material A7N01ST5. Method well joined for high-speed train. Subject effect of moisture on a microstructural porosity and fatigue strength of the A7N01ST5 aluminum alloy well joined. Finding increased humidity cause an increase in porosity and cause a decrease in fatigue strength at the well joint. Number 2. Han et al. Material 6082 T6 aluminum alloy. Method laser-mic hybrid welding. Subject effect of welding parameter on the porosity distribution. The correlation between the porosity distribution and mechanical properties. 6082 T6 aluminum alloy welding joint. Porosity appears around the fusion zone when the earth's current of the well exceeds 140 ampere. The rate of gas flow affects the porosity. The tensile strength decreases from the 160 MPa to 202 MPa. The fatigue strength decreases from 113 MPa to 56 MPa, and the well joint became brittle as the porosity rate increased. Reduce defect. The suitable welding speed is an important parameter that affects the reduction of dissolved hydrogen in the well pool area, thereby reducing the well joint porosity. Several factors that can control porosity are low heat input, fine grain structure, and effective removal of oxide from the wear. A suitable torque position, optimal welding condition, and a suitable welding rank can also control porosity in cold metal transfer welding. The addition of CO2 and HE in the shielding gas and the suitable torque angle can reduce the porosity. The precise control of the shielding gas parameter, including the different flow rates, the blowing angle, and the shielding gas distance, is also a determining factor during the welding process in reducing porosity. The rack environmental parameter can minimize the porosity. The wind speed and humidity that are suitable during the welding process can significantly reduce the porosity of the weld joint. Conclusion: in the welding process, the welding defect that often arises the porosity of the weld joint. The form of porosity in the weld joint is usually in the form of macroporosity and microporosity. Macroporosity generally has a bigger shape than microporosity. That formation of porosity is generally caused by dissolved hydrogen in the weld metal. Air or bubble from the welding process, failure or failure, and the influence of the environment around the welding. Environmental factor that influence porosity are erratic air temperature and humidity. The impact of porosity can cause crack in the weld joint, decrease ductility, and fatigue failure. However, porosity can be prevented by setting the appropriate speed parameter at the time of welding, optimal welding condition, suitable welding rings, and maintaining environmental control. Thank you.